Next, my dear students, after this transparency, this is the characteristics of transparency. Another one best characteristics is called as your floating करना, ठीक है ना, जैसे बोट फ्लोट करता है ऑन वाटर, यस और नो. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रिलेटेड टू सर्टन materials, my dear. Okay, so this is called as flotation. This is called as flotation. Okay, so what this flotation process and why the term flotation is related with the characteristics of certain materials. Okay, characteristics based on floating on water. Floating कहाँ पे होता है बेटा? पानी के ऊपर. Floating on water. Floating on water. Some substances float on water while others sink to the bottom. कुछ चीज चले, I'll show you. I'll put certain water again also here. You just look it. I'll put certain ये पेपर का टुकड़ा कुछ बना दूं, हाँ या ना? ओके ओके, just see in this glass water is there. I'll put a paper का टुकड़ा, I'll just put here. Just see all these small pieces of papers, they are floating on the water or not? Yes, they are floating. And if I will put, okay, after this paper, the same water, I am taking certain sands, I'll put these sands. Just see, धीरे धीरे I am putting all these sand particles, they are sink down. They are sink down. Yes or no? Just see. Some materials, they are floating on water, some are sink, यानी कि goes down into the water. This is an important characteristics. Objects heavier than water sink, but object lighter than water it float. The conclusion is that beta, those objects are heavier than what they are, what that they will sink into the water, and those objects are lighter, halka. जो हल्का होता है ना बेटा, they are floating on the water. This is an important characteristics related to different objects or materials that available throughout the surroundings or throughout the nature, we can say, my dear. When the leaves of the tree fall into the water, what will happen? The water of the pond, the leaves float. पत्ता, पॉइंट की जो पानी होता है ना, इसके ऊपर गिरता है कोई, तो पत्ता क्या करता है बेटा? फ्लोटिंग करता है बेटा, सिंक नहीं हो जाता है बेटा, अंदर नहीं घुस जाते बेटा, पानी के ऊपर फ्लोटिंग करता है. पेपर बोल्स, बारिश के मौसम, हाँ याद करो बेटा, जब बारिश के मौसम आता है ना, पानी चलता है ना, कि वो पानी में क्या करते हैं हम सब लोग, छोटे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे, सबसे बड़े अच्छे, वो पेपर पीस लेके बोट बना के वो पानी में छोड़ देते हैं. तो क्या होता है बेटा? दैट बोट इज सिंक इनसाइड द वाटर और फ्लोटिंग इन द वाटर. दे आर फ्लोटिंग फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर, धीरे 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 धीरे. ऐसे हम भी बड़ी खुश, बाप रे बाप, ऐसे ताली लगा के चिल्ला चिल्ला के, देखो 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 कैसे मेरा बोट ऐसे ऐसे होता है, लाइक दिस. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द characteristics of materials, that is called as the floating characteristics, or you can say the flotation. My dear students, this flotation, or you can say the floating characteristics based on certain materials available in this environment, my dear. We also have certain objects that I am showing you. Our audio learning has prepared so nicely all this picturization. You please go through all these pictures, okay? So nicely, first picture you please, you see this is the water level. We put certain heavier materials, yes or no, that sink inside, yes or no. Here this is the water level or pond. I have told you before some minutes, पत्ता इज देयर, ये जो पत्ता हो ना, पेड़ का पत्ता, वो गिरा, दैट सिंक डाउन और फ्लोटिंग, दैट फ्लोटिंग ऑन द वाटर. The paper boat, I have told you that you all have been preparing. ये बारिश का मौसम पे बनता है बेटा. ये देखो कितनी सुंदर पानी के ऊपर ऐसे ट्विक ट्विक करके वैसे चले. These are all an excellent characteristics related to what? Our materials or objects, you can say. Another one important characteristics here also will discuss, that is called as the conductivity. The conductivity. And what is called as conductivity? Conduct का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा, पहले मुझे बताओ. Conduct, conductivity, conductors. There are so many words are there in this lesson. So these conductivity is what? Nothing. Conductivity from one place to move another place. One thing transfer from one place to another place. Conduct. It has performed certain activities. Okay. So here, my dear, the conductor is what? According to the characteristics of different materials, my dear. Conductors are materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. Wire is there. Okay. Here we have a bulb that side. Switch is here. From this point, this is the switch point. Okay, my dear. And this is the wire. Wire is coming to this place, and here one bulb is there. Okay. When the bulb will glow, if I'll put on the switch here, the current will conduct from this place to this place. The electricity will conduct from this place to this place. Then this bulb can able to glow. So what come to that place from here? This electricity. And who is responsible? Certain wire is there. All wire can conduct electricity. There are certain wires are there that are able to conduct electricity. Those wires are able to conduct electricity. They are called as the conductors. Am I clear? There is another question. Sure. If some wires are there to conduct electricity, and we'll ask them, they are the conductors. Sir, we have seen so many wires. Those wires are unable to conduct electricity. What we can ask them? How we can call them? Yes, there is an excellent name. Okay, wait, we'll go through that. You just see, heat transfer, conductor. Who can do it? Metals like iron, aluminium, gold. They are responsible. And there are also certain conductors, certain materials that are unable to conduct heat and electricity. और एक चीज अभी I'll ask you, my dear, जब घर में मम्मी खाना पकाते हैं ना, there are so many kitchen materials are there, and there is a handle. Mommy is keeping that handle. There are so many kitchen materials are there. With the help of that, मम्मी क्या करते बेटा? सब्जी बनाते, चावल बनाते, फ्राइड, भाजी, सब कुछ, everything is preparing. And why that is there? Have you seen that handle? Some kitchen materials handle is prepared with certain wood. Why it is? As because here we have studied that iron, if it is made of iron or steel, that heat directly will come from that vowel. And mummy can't prepare all the foods easily. Like this. Because heat will come directly. So do not allow that heat directly from heat sources to our hands. What to do? So nicely it is prepared certain kitchen materials. This portion is made up of with metal, and then the handle is made up of with wood. Because this metal or iron part is able to conduct the heat or electricity. But this handle part made up of wood, they are not conductor. They can't conduct the heat. Heat can't come from this place to this place. मम्मी इसको पकड़ के करते, चले काम खत्म हो गया. But another one question just before some minutes I've asked you, that is what those materials are unable to conduct heat and electricity. Their name is called as what? Their name is called as insulator. What is that? Insulator. Then opposite of insulator is what? Conductor. Just now I have discussed. Insulator. Insulators are materials that do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. So they are called as insulator. Example of certain materials: plastics, rubber and wood. They are the good insulator. Through plastic, through rubber, through wood, heat and electricity can pass. But certain metals, iron, gold, copper, aluminium, they are called as the conductor, because by means of them we can conduct heat and electricity. Those materials are responsible to conduct heat and electricity. They are called as the conductors. And those materials are unable to conduct heat and electricity. They are called as your insulator. So अभी मुझे बताओ, जो sorting materials into groups, this topic is essential for us or not? ये जरूरी है कि नहीं बेटा? अभी पता चला कि नहीं? इतना सारा प्रॉपर्टीज, इतना सारा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ये हम जब डिस्कस करते हैं ना बेटा, तब पता चलता है इसके अंदर क्या है. व्हाट इज द रियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स बिहाइंड दिस सब्जेक्ट. सो ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट, एवरी क्लास इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. So my dear students, don't waste your valuable time. Always keep concentration on time. You must be ready inside your classroom. So Nice Love Orion Learning has been providing all the lessons with certain picturization, certain excellent notes, excellent question answer discussion process. It helps a lot to each and every students, my dear. So this is the best characteristics also, that apart from all other characteristics just before we have discussed, this is called as your what? Conductivity, like your conductors as well as insulator. Then another one important characteristic is also there, that is called as, it is based on the nature of materials. Nature क्या होता है बेटा? वो जो materials होता है ना, उसका nature क्या होता है? क्या होता है nature? चले नेचर के बारे में हम डिस्कस करें. नेचर ऑफ मेटेरियल्स जब आता है ना बेटा, तो वी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन सर्टेन नेचुरल एक्टिविटीज, नेचुरल रेस्पॉन्स, देयर अवेलेबिलिटी, देयर ऑल यूटिलाइजेशन. सो इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन, एंड ऑल्सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज द नेचुरल मटेरियल्स. What are the natural materials? Natural, those materials given by nature directly. वो nature से मिलता है बेटा. So it is called as natural materials. Natural materials are substances that come directly from nature. Example: wood, लकड़ी, cotton, सूती, wool. wool कहाँ से मिलता है बेटा? है, कहां से मिलता है वूल? यस, वेरी गुड. एंड स्टोन फ्रॉम द नेचर. ऑल आर द नेचुरल मटेरियल्स. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर अवेलेबिलिटी इन दिस नेचर, वो नेचर को लेके देयर अवेलेबिलिटी एंड देयर कैरेक्टराइजेशन, जिस ढंग से वो काम करता है, क्या काम करता है, ये सब जानने के लिए बेटा जो ऑपोजिट होता है ना नेचुरल मटेरियल का, इसके बारे में भी जानकारी हासिल करना चाहिए. क्यों? ऑल आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन द नेचर माय डियर. व्हाटएवर वी हैव बीन फाइंडिंग थ्रू आउट द नेचर, दे आर नॉट बिलोंग्स टू आवर नेचर डायरेक्टली. देयर आर सो मेनी मटेरियल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर. व्हाट वी हैव डन, क्या करते बेटा हम लोग, ये जो नेचुरल मटेरियल को लेके कई सारी आर्टिफिशियल फैक्ट्री में कोई दूसरा चीज बना लेते हैं, वो जो दूसरा चीज बनता है ना बेटा, उनका अलग नाम होता है आर्टिफिशियल। मन से नहीं हुआ, हम लोग ने कई नेचर का चीज को लेके कैसे कोई केमिकल मिला जुला के, डायरेक्टली इट इज नॉट फॉर्म, इट इज मिक्स्ड विथ सर्टेन केमिकल्स, एंड दैट केमिकल प्रोसेस जो रासायनिक होता है ना बेटा, केमिकल सिस्टम, इट इज ओनली परफॉर्म इन द लैब। Big factories, big laboratories, it helps a lot. And these are called as your artificial or synthetic materials. Natural, the opposite is called as your artificial or synthetic material. Artificial or synthetic. What are the artificial materials? Artificial material के अंदर क्या क्या बेटा? Artificial materials are human made और सिंथेटिक मटेरियल्स, आदमी लोग उसको बनाते बेटा। आर्टिफिशियल मटेरियल्स इंक्लूड प्लास्टिक्स, ग्लास एंड नायलॉन, हम खुद बनाते उसको बेटा। मैन मेड, नॉट मेड बाय द नेचर, प्रकृति ने नहीं बनाई बेटा उसको, हम आदमी लोग क्या करते बेटा, उसको लेके खुद केमिकल यूज करके लैब के अंदर नया प्रिपरेशन कर लेते हैं। आर्टिफिशियल, मैन मेड, नॉट नेचर मेड, आदमी ने बनाए, नेचर नहीं बनाए बेटा उसको। ओके, दिस इज, यू जस्ट सी द नायलॉन्स आर हियर, सर्टेन प्लास्टिक्स, all are glass, they are called as the artificial. Am I clear? So my dear students, after this natural and artificial characteristics, we will go for another system, that is the characters depend upon the raw and processed materials. Raw and processed. Raw means कोई चीज पहले जैसे होता है ना बेटा, that the raw materials. Then processed by means of certain activities or chemical procedure with certain machines or by certain different ways, it comes down to different objects. दूसरे कुछ बन जाता है बेटा। रॉ मटेरियल्स वो पहले जो था और उसको लेके बना के घुमा फिरा के ऐसे कुछ मिक्सअप करा के कोई दूसरा चीज़ बना लेते हैं। तो पहले क्या होता है ना बेटा, रॉ मटेरियल्स। रॉ मटेरियल्स कोई चीज़ बनाने के लिए पहले जो चीज़ का ज़रूरत होता है ना, वो उनके लिए रॉ मटेरियल्स होता है। रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस, वो कहाँ से मिलता है बेटा, नेचर से मिलता है। एंड दैट इज यूज टू मेक अदर प्रोडक्ट्स, उसको लेके कोई दूसरा प्रोडक्ट, दूसरा मटेरियल हम बना लेते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, रॉ मटेरियल्स इंक्लूड आयरन ओर, कॉटन फाइबर्स, क्रूड ऑयल्स, कई सारी चीज होता है बेटा। इतना सारा सुंदर ड्रेस आप पहन के आई, फाइबर से बना हुआ। रॉ मटेरियल्स क्या हैं? सो नाइसली प्रियंका वेयर द ड्रेस, वेरी गुड। जीमूत देखो कितने सुंदर, बाप रे बाप, जींस, ओ, एंड दैट शर्ट इज दीपंकर, वाह, वेरी गुड टी शर्ट। बट द रॉ मटेरियल इज fibers, different fibers, and in process, in due course of time, by factories or certain processes that develop into another materials. But the basic, that is called as the raw materials, which is essential to prepare that material of the object. Without raw materials, we can produce the different objects that is required for the utilization. So my dear students, this is also one important characteristics related to our different materials available in the nature, and how so nicely we have to categorically sorting all these materials to learn, to utilize, as well as to process by our day-to-day life. First of all, when we have collected the materials to prepare a new thing, I have told you that is called as the raw materials, and that raw material is processed by means of certain activities, like in a factory, certain machineries are there, maybe man-made, maybe by made certain machineries. So all these processes, as because it is formed a certain new materials, new objects, so the upcoming materials after The processing is called as the processed material. Before this processed material, it is called as your raw materials. I am writing here, raw material. Raw materials, what happened after process, it is called as your processed material. Am I clear? First of all, fibers are there. That is called the raw materials. And that fibers prepare so nicely this small towel or handkerchief. And it is prepared by certain processes, certain machineries are there. With the help of small, what you can say, my dear? Small fibers. Yes or no? There are certain fibers are there. With the help of these fibers, we can prepare. Yes or no? Just see. Fibers are there. This is the raw materials. These fibers are the raw materials. And with the help of these fibers, we find at last this what? Small towel or handkerchief. This is the processed material. Am I clear? The difference between the raw and processed. You can say also, my dear, this is what? Book. And this book is made up of certain papers. And that papers come from, I have told you, the basic raw material is your lakdi, wood. Wood pulp is there, and another certain materials are there mixed with that. But the major raw material is wood. Lakdi se banta hai beta. This paper. This is the processed one. Am I clear? There are so many things, my dear. So, examples of certain processed metals, your iron from iron ore, cloth from cotton fibers, I have shown you, plastics products, also certain paper products. All are called as the processed materials. And of these processed materials, so nicely, my dear students, we have given in from our original learning all the picturizations. You please note down and also please draw the diagram whenever and wherever it is necessary for your further information. And it helps you a lot, my dear. After these raw material and processed materials, another one important characteristics is there. That is called as the characteristics based on states of matter. States of matter. Matter means there are two words, states and matter. What is the states and what is the matter? Matter means nothing, my dear. Whatever we have been watching, whatever we have been looking here and there, we can touch it, we may visualize it, or we may feel it. And that matter, they have been existing. ये जो मैटर होता है ना बेटा, कई तरीका, कई ढंग से, कई रूप से अवेलेबल होता है. ये जो स्टेट्स होता है, उनका जो स्टेट्स कई रूप में मिलता है बेटा. वही रूप होता है ना, जो स्टेट्स होता है, जो तरीका होता है, जो टाइप्स होता है, इसके बारे में ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. एंड इज ऑल्सो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑल्सो. How nicely we can sorting all the materials into groups according to our topic. And the states of matter, my dear students, you all are able to in earlier classes. It is too easy, but it is also too difficult. Unless until you are unable to differentiate all these states, then you can't find or visualize the matter. Before some minutes I have told you, you just see here. Solid. You have seen ice, yes or no? If you take an example of water, water is available, but can you tell me there are three states of water is there? That states of water, sometime we can find that water in shape of piece of ice. You can search inside your fridge, refrigerator is there. And inside that you can find small one tray, ice tray is there. Small ice piece is there. That is nothing but that is the matter. Which matter? The water. That is what water? A state. One state. That situation. In that state, water is in form of solid. There are three states here. I would like to write here for your kind information that the three states are nothing. One is your solid, another is your liquid, and my dear students, another state is called as your gas. Three states. But the matter is what? Nothing. Water. Matter is water here. Matter is water. But states are three. If anyone will ask you, is this ice piece is water? What will become your answer? Tell me. Raise your hands. Punam batao. Good. Yes. Water is also ice piece. Ice piece is also water. आप बताओ. Shatrugna, आप बताओ बेटा. Yes, very good. Namita, wow, very good. That means you all have competent with this chapter. Good. Solid means ice piece. Indirectly, it is a state of matter of what? Water. Water in solid state. पानी का ये जो कठिनता होता है बेटा, हार्ड स्टेट होता है, हार्ड रूप. पानी का एक कठिन रूप होता है. पानी होता है ना जो पानी पीते बेटा, उनका कठिन रूप होता है, हार्ड स्टेट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज और सॉलिड स्टेट. दैट इज वन आइस पीस. The same ice piece also converted into liquid. The solid then will come to the liquid. वो जो ice piece, I will take that ice piece in a piece of container and I'll keep outside of the refrigerator. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'll watch it. Where is the ice piece? नहीं मिलेगा. सॉलिड फॉर्म नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. क्यों? एडिशन ऑफ सर्टेन आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर. दैट सॉलिड फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर. ये जो आइस पीस होता है ना वाटर का बेटा, पानी का, वो क्या होता है बेटा? दैट विल कन्वर्टेड द स्टेट. स्टेट चेंज हो जाएगा बेटा, रूप बदल जाएगा. कठिन रूप वो तरल रूप में आ जाएगा. आइस पीस विल बिकम ए नॉर्मल, पानी बन जाएगा बेटा. दैट इज द लिक्विड स्टेट ऑफ द वाटर. And after that, what will happen? Do you know? If I will put again also certain temperature, there, the solid ice piece converted to liquid. Then I will put another high temperature. जैसे गर्म पानी. मम्मी को पूछो, मम्मी इतना ठंडा मुझे पूछो मत. How I will go to my Orion learning classes in this winter? मम्मी क्या बताएगा? बेटा रो ना मत. Don't worry, I am there to cooperate. मम्मी क्या करते हैं? गैस के ऊपर एक बकेट से पानी लाता है और एक बाउल लेके वो पानी को गर्म कर देते बेटा. आपने कभी देखा? वो पानी जब गर्म होता है ना, ऊपर थोड़ा जाके देखो क्या होता है. हाल बेहाल हो जाता है बेटा. क्या होता है बेहाल? देखो जो पानी होता है ना, सर्टेन फॉर्म ऑफ गैस, दे आर कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द वाटर लेवल. वो बाउल से गैस निकलता है बेटा. वो कहाँ से आ गया बेटा गैस? क्योंकि द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ हीट ऑन वाटर. वो जो पानी होता है ना, पानी के ऊपर हमने एप्लीकेशन किया, पुट किया, ऐड किया, दे दिया. क्या दिया? टेम्परेचर हाई. ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर दे दिया पानी को, तो पानी का हाल क्या हुआ? वो गैस फॉर्म को आ गया. दैट फॉर्म लिक्विड कन्वर्टेड इनटू गैस. इन समर सीजन यू हैव सीन all the ponds or the levers, the level of water comes down. Also in our well, घर में जो well होता है बेटा, पानी का लेवल कमती हो जाता है बेटा. धूप के मौसम जो होता है ना, समर के मौसम में क्यों होता है? क्योंकि द टेम्परेचर इज हाई एंड एज बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई टेम्परेचर, ज़्यादा धूप के कारण पानी गैस बन जाता है बेटा. और रूप बदल जाता है बेटा. पानी वो ऊपर चला जाता है. This is also a cyclic state of your rain, and that cycle is also called as your water cycle. And we'll read carefully in your high classes. That cycle is called as your water cycle. Okay, later on we'll discuss about that matter. But now this is the characteristics. ये एक चरित्र होता है, एक रूप होता है, एक गुण होता है मैटर का. क्या होता है? Now it is depend upon the states of matter. एक ही चीज होता है बेटा डिफरेंट स्टेट में. वही पानी सॉलिड आइस के रूप में, वही पानी पानी के रूप में लिक्विड में, वही पानी गैस के रूप में. देयर आर थ्री डिफरेंट स्टेट्स आर देयर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर एंड द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज बेस्ट कॉल्ड ऑन द स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, also will give a little bit introduction and also knowledge we must have to gain. There are differences between states of matter. What are the differences, sir? Why there are differences in the state of matter? Why sometimes it is called as the solid form ice? Why sometimes it is called as the liquid form water? Why, sir, sometimes it is in the gas form called as gas form? का नाम क्या होता है बताओ? Solid form of water is ice, liquid form of water is water, and the gas form of water is called as vapor. क्या बनते बेटा? Vapor. Please remember all these words. Different states: ice, water, and water vapor. But all three states, my dear, indirectly are water, water, and water. So what is the difference in these three states? जो तीन स्टेट होता है ना, तीन प्रकार का चीज होता है, लेकिन द सेम इज पानी. तो कारण क्या? सॉलिड्स हैव ए फिक्स्ड शेप एंड वॉल्यूम, liquids have fixed volume but take the shape of the container, gases have neither fixed shape nor volume and can fill any container. This is the differences between different states of matter like a solid, liquid and gas.